Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a actual fragrance oil or essential oil. That's what they're calling this, a premium quality oil. It is called Majestic Pure Sandalwood Premium Oil. Now this is a 1 ounce glass container. This is how it came to me in the mail. Just got it today, just now. And basically I want to do an unboxing quickly for you and tell you a little bit about this product here.
Before we go into it, let's just look at the actual specifications. So sandalwood oil, this isn't, as in many perfumes and air freshener, it comes from the wood and roots of sandalwood trees, but it's specifically called Santalum album of East India. It is a sandalwood tree that's there, and that's where they extract this oil from the roots. They use a distilled method, a steam distilled usually, almost like how you make alcohol, and they extract the actual oils from the tree. It's fantastic, and I love it, and it's really high quality. That's what this is exactly.
Manufacturing date was in 2024, and it's good until 2026. Usually when they have dates on them, that means they're a natural oil or distilled oil. Again, premium sandalwood oil. I want to show you how this comes packaged, and I'm going to tell you what I think about this, because I used to actually deal in oils for many years. Fragrance oils, essential oils, all kinds of blended, synthetic, you name it, I did it all. So I know oils pretty well. So this is how the box came to me. Packaging was excellent. I opened it up already. It was all shrink wrapped. So I'm just going to open this up and just give you my impression of what I think. So here is the bottle itself, and the bottle is 1 ounce. And you can see it there. Is the premium quality 1 ounce, 30 milliliter is the size. Tells you a little bit about how to use it. You can use it in a diffuser. You can use it in an evaporator. You can use it in all types of different ways. You can use this on the skin. You have to test it, make sure it doesn't irritate you. But that's just a couple of different ways to use it. It did come from India, and that makes sense because that's where our sandalwood oil comes from, mainly India. If you're going to distill it, that's the best place to get it from. It is sealed. Cap was locked with a seal. I already opened it already just to smell it, but it was locked with a seal, so you know how it comes. Also has a double seal on it, which is actually really good. I don't see much of that anymore. That's really a good thing. They include that, which is nice. So I think that's that's definitely a prop for them. So there's no leakage at all. No way this can leak on you. So during shipping. So that was really good. So really, they know what they're doing with the high quality packaging. They use a glass bottle. Okay, Boston Round, that's what we used to call this, like a Boston Round 1 ounce bottle. These bottles aren't cheap. This is not cheap stuff. The caps aren't cheap. The seals aren't cheap. Also, they give you, and I was very impressed with this, they also give you a pipette or a dropper, as we call them. Here is a glass dropper. Now, that is also a high quality, let me see if we can get a picture of that for you. High quality glass dropper, you can see that'll fit right in. It's got a little plunger on the end of it here, like an eyedropper would be. This is what this is. This is for fragrances. So you go inside, pick up a couple of drops, and you can apply it, like I said, in a diffuser or any way you want to apply it on. That really is a high quality item. So I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10, and it smells fantastic. I put a little bit on my hand. It's got a nice smell, nice fragrance. Sometimes a sandalwood can go either way depending on how it's refined. If it's really refined, it can really be stinky, and this is it depends. It really does. The quality of the sandalwood and how they distill it and all that kind of stuff. This is a nice, clean, fresh, fragrant sandalwood. I think it's a high quality. I think it's exactly as they're advertised. So I'm just going to give this a 10 out of 10, and I absolutely love it. So this comes off. Now you want to just take off this seal, this little cap here. This is to stop it from leaking during transit, which is actually really smart. Again, these are expensive things to do, and they were very, very smart to do it. So I'll take that off. Smells good. And then you just put the dropper in here when you're ready. Put that cap on, and you are good to go, just like that. So you put the cap on, you just take this to the side, and now you're all set to use it, to distribute it. Whatever you want to do is take it out of take a look at it, see if we can get a look at the actual oil itself inside the dropper. Should be in light brown, and it is. The consistency is thick. Pure sandalwood is very thick. Sometimes you do need a small carrier oil, or depending on how they diffuse it. But this looks pretty decent, I have to tell you. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of this sandalwood. You can just see it. It does have a brown tint to it. Sometimes I've seen sandalwood when they're dark brown and they're kind of stinky. So this is really nice. I definitely think this is a high quality sandalwood oil. Definitely it's going to be the way to go. I'm definitely going to use this in my diffuser Also in my razor, now if you saw my other video on how to replace your razor oil, I use alcohol. I use regular rubbing alcohol, and I need a little bit of oil in there, so I'm going to add a few drops of this into my system, into my razor, and that'll add a little bit of fragrance and also a little bit of oil, a little lubrication to the charging blades, to the cutting blades. So that's what that's for. Okay, guys. Appreciate it. Don't want to make it too long, but I really wanted to be very thorough with something like this here. And I think I'm definitely going to recommend this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for more awesome videos when you're shopping. I think everything on this with this company here is going to be A1 in my book. And the price was right and shipping was great.